All right, everybody ready to roll. So, if you guys haven't been told yet, CID finally received the decrypted metadata from those marked MindJot drives that we seized a week or so ago. The data from the images on the drives corroborates information our guys have put together on a small operation running out of the row. We're heading over to 7408 Martinez Boulevard with a warrant for the arrest of George Brixley. Current intel, our target has a prior conviction for kidnapping. Did some time in Leavenworth, about 3 years. He also has a prior felony for conspiracy and sexual assault. He's not going to want to go back to jail. Brixley has firearms training, and we assume he's going to be armed. The structure we will be entering has some quirks to it. Jackson, the intel you gathered last night, what's up with this place?
He's running some sort of talent agency, round the clock, all week. Weekends are his busiest times, so minimum 1 female in the building. Likely more. Could be children, too.
Okay, so we could have kids in there. Moving on, the structure has 3 known entrances. One on the main road, side one, that goes through the reception. One on the 3rd side of the building, and one on the 4th side. We don't know much about the internal space. Floor plans we've got are from the former owners of the building, who had it set up as a clinic. Speaking of clinics, medical. We'll have RAs on scene, as well as pediatric ambulances in case there are any kids. Primary hospital is going to be YMH. Secondary, if we have multiple patients, is going to be Coastal Grove Medical Center. For radio, we're going to be operating on TAC 5 Central Tactical. Make sure your radios are set to TAC 5. Backup channel is going to be TAC 1. Okay, question time. Anyone?
What's our go for use of NFDDs?
Interior deployment is authorized based on assessed need. Bang a room if you have to. Anyone else? Perfect. All right, let's go. Remember to watch your mouth. Everything is being recorded. All the time.
Talk reporting. Behind me. Entry team suspects have taken refuge and are refusing to cooperate. Move in. Remember your ROE. Let's secure the area.
LSPD, don't move! Police, hands on your head! Put your hands... Get down, I want to see hands! Police, get down! Get down now! Fuck you! Gold team. Wait, motherfucker! Drop first! I'm gonna move. Here. Blue.
Talk to entry team.
Provide cover.
Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Call in.
I got you.
Who called the cops?
Stop it now!
Let me see those hands.
Make them secure.
I'll get them ready. Do you have anything on you?
Civilian is cuffed and good to go.
Civilian secure.
Turn
This
around.
is talk.
Don't make this
Copy.
worse than
Move
yourself.
on.
I'm here on private business.
Secure.
Talk reporting. Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with
I'm in.
caution.
Right with you.
Fall in.
Behind you.
Open and clear with flashbang.
Confirmed. Flash out.
Nothing here, sir.
Move in. Clear it. Open it and clear it with a flash. Gonna bang it.
Moving in.
Left. Light stick out.
Up, asshole! Now!
I give up, you hear?
Put your hands up!
Don't resist.
What's this all about?
Entry team to talk. The suspect secured.
Talk to entry team. Copy, entry team. Notifying trailers.
Hello, George. My name is Dr. David.
Open. Clear with flashbang.
Wrap it up quick, all right? I'm a busy guy here. Lots of talent coming through these days.
Get down and keep your hands up!
Touch my child and I'll kill you! Do you hear me?
Talk reporting. Roger, entry team.
All right.
Great work. Keep going.
I got you. Someone else. Get down on the ground now!
Cuffing.
Slowly! Get down! Put your hands up and get down slowly! Nothing. Got him.
Keep the top.
Great place. Secure.
Talk to element. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
Look away and don't move.
I'm here to collect a debt. Now can I get it and go?
One cuff. Compliance. Secured.
Talk to element.
Move. Right
Copy
here.
that. Trailers incoming.
Think we all got a little jumpy. Get down, I want to see hands!
Wanted. Copy. I got the mirror. No traps visible. One-armed suspect.
Someone must
Open the door and clear with CS. Deploying gas.
Moving! Show me your hands, BD! Don't move!
Good here.
Brandon, I don't want you causing any problems, all right? Suspect ready to go.
Stop. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Talk to entry team. Roger that. Trailers incoming. Proceed with caution.
Stay on me.
On your six.
Without this, we'll lose everything. I don't know.
Hands
All
up.
right, I will move.
Turn
I'll get
around.
him
Keep your
ready.
hands up.
Please.
Element,
We have
talk.
such a hard
Civvy is
life.
ready.
Talk reporting. Roger, entry team. Great work. Keep going.
On my six. You got point.
Get a lot of clients here. There's,
Check it with the wand. On it. Wand is ready. Opening on the right. Looking good, sir. Nothing.
Mirror for contacts.
Doing it. Mirror ready. Several openings. Nothing. We're good. Eyes on one suspect.
Opening flashbang.
On it. Gonna bang it. An opening on the left. Good here. Chem light out.
Light stick out.
Provide support on me.
Got your back.
Fuck! They must have... Police, get down on the ground! I'm giving up! Show me your head! Put it down, move!
Alright.
Secure the area.
I got it up. Take it easy.
Take it easy.
Stay calm and cooperate.
Suspect cuffed and secure.
I got business here.
Element caught. Suspect in custody. Ready for transport.
Talk to entry team.
All right.
Roger, trailers inbound.
You came in the middle of something that had nothing to do with you.
You better pull a warrant out of your ass real quick.
Begin a search. Secure any contacts.
I came to collect a debt owed.
Civilian ready to go.
Obviously, I came at a bad time.
Please understand, I can't help.
Hands on your head! Do it
Don't want
now!
any issues.
I got it.
Turn around and stay still. Stay here. Do not get in our way.
God, someone called the cops.
Talk. Civilian,
Talk to
good to
entry
go.
team.